Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, I'm going to be doing a black smoky eye. So if you want to see how I did this look, then just keep on watching. So to start off, I'm going to use this color from the Jaclyn and Morphe palette, and I'm going to put this color all over my crease and on my lower lash line. And for that, I'm going to be using a MAC 224 brush. So I'm going to blend this color pretty much everywhere all over the crease, and I'm going to drag it really outside of the eye because since I'm going to be doing a smoky eye, I'm going to really want the eye to really be blown out towards the outside. So don't be afraid to really take the color towards the outside because either way, when we're done with the foundation and the concealer, is going to help to clean all of that up. Now with a MAC 239 brush in that same color, I'm going to use that color and I'm going to run it all through my lower lash line from the outer corner to the inner corner. With the same 224 brush and no extra color, I'm just going to use that just to blend everything, just to make sure that everything is nice and blended. So I'm going to be using this color and doing the same thing I did with the first color. And I'm going to be using a MAC 217. With this color, the only thing I'm not going to do is bring it as high as the first color. Going back in with the MAC 239 and that same color, I'm going to put it on the lower lash line as well. Going in now with this color and the same MAC 217 brush, I'm going to apply this color all over the crease as well. Now I'm going to blend that color with the MAC 239 all over the lash line as well. Now I'm going to use this black color and I'm going to use the Morphe M506 brush and I'm going to very gently apply this color through my crease. Now I'm going to drag that color through my lower lash line. So in my opinion, it's easier to put the black color through the crease because when you start applying the black color on the lid, it's going to be a lot easier to blend it up towards the crease and already having a black eyeshadow there than to be over blending it to the top and have it too much the black to the top. Now I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Eyestudio Gel Eyeliner and this accent brush from Real Techniques, and I'm going to apply this as my base for the black eyeshadow that I'm going to put on top. You want to make sure that you really get the black gel eyeliner really close to the lash line. That way all of your skin is covered by the black and no skin is peeking through. Now I'm going to go in with that same black eyeshadow and a MAC 242 brush and I'm going to apply the black eyeshadow all over the lid. Going back in with the Morphe M506 brush, I'm going to start blending the outer corners of the color. You have to be careful with this step because you don't want to take the black eyeshadow too high to the crease you just want to kind of keep it kind of low. So gently blend it backwards and forwards. That way it doesn't go up too high. You can go back in with the MAC 217 brush just to blend this area a little bit more. With no extra color though. Just blend it back and forth. Now I'm going to go in with the MAC Smolder eye pencil, and I'm going to apply this on the lower waterline and on the upper lash line. Now it's okay to be completely messy in this area with the eyeliner pencil, because this is going to serve as your base for the eyeshadow to be really intense on the lower lash line as well. Going in with the same little brush from Morphe and the black eyeshadow, I'm going to start to blend some color on the lower lash line. Going in now with the MAC 239 brush and no extra product, just whatever was left on the brush, I'm going to use that to blend the lower lash line. Now I'm going to go in with this color. I'm going to apply it on the brow bone and in the inner corner of my eye. Alright, so I have my lashes on. I'm going to go finish the face and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. That concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and were able to learn something. Remember to subscribe and to like and comment, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!